Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the popular retro vintage sunset, which you can use for anything. And it really works. It converts and you can make a ton of sales with it. We're also going to talk about a Q4 strategy that's going to make you a ton of sales. We're going to look at some vintage sunset templates and how you can get really cheap sunset templates from a service that I'm going to talk about. Same thing with American patriotic templates, which you can combine with many niches and they sell really well for Christmas. And also a new POD automation tool has just dropped into the market and it sells, guys, for €1.99 per month. That's insane. Stick around till the end so I can show you how to get it. I'm also going to run a giveaway, so stick around till the end so you know how to enter. Before we start, guys, give this video a thumbs up to help with the algorithm, leave a nice comment, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Adnan. You can call me Addy for short. I'm an e-commerce entrepreneur, a family man, a YouTuber. One of my main hobbies is filmmaking, and I also have a background in management and coaching. In terms of merch by Amazon, I've sold over $1 million in sales and I've made over $200,000 in royalties. At the moment, this channel is focused on helping you succeed on print on demand, but in the future, we might branch out to other ways of making money. So definitely stay tuned. Over the last 8 months, I focused all my efforts on building a groundbreaking merch by Amazon course. So definitely check it out, guys. I've got some free training so you can check it out and you can check out how the main course looks like. So definitely give it a go, join it. You've got nothing to lose. The link is in the description below. I've also got a Facebook group, so make sure you join it. If you have any questions or anything like that, you can ask your questions in the group and we'll be there to help you. Again, link in the description. So now let me show you how we can make a vintage sunset in a very easy way using Illustrator. So obviously the first thing we need to start with is creating a brand new artboard with 4500 pixels by 5400 pixels. So we select the ellipse tool, click on Alt and Shift and then drag to create a perfect circle. You go back to the selection tool so that we can position our circle, make it bigger, drag it however you want until we're happy. I'm happy with it like this. We go to the align tool to align it horizontally like so. Now we go to the rectangle tool, select the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle like so. I'm going to make it white just for the sake of contrast. And then we need to duplicate it. I'm going to click Alt, drag down, Shift, like so to duplicate. Click on Alt, drag down, duplicate, click on Alt, drag down. It's perfect like this. So I'm going to select the whole thing, drag it down like that. Take this up a little bit. This would represent the lines of the sunset, and basically we're going to create a mask and fill these stripes with different vintage colors. And guys, you can dictate the shape of your sunset or how many stripes it has or the colors or whatever you want. It's really easy. See this ellipse? We want to make it the top layer so that we can create our mask. I'm going to select the whole thing and then we're going to go to Object, come down here, clip in mask, make. So now as you can see, guys, we've got the rectangle inside of the circle. The next thing we need to do, guys, is simply fill these rectangles with our vintage colors. And to do this, guys, it's really simple. You can either go to swatches and choose whatever color, or you can select a color manually, or you can grab a ready-made vintage palette from Google. Very simple. You simply go to Google and type retro vintage color palette and go down and choose whichever one you want. Download the PNG or the picture, or even take a screenshot of it, import it to Illustrator, and then you can copy the colors. It's that simple. And this is exactly what I've done here. So I've imported this color palette. I'm now going to double click to enter the mask and then grab the eyedropper tool using I. It's a shortcut. And then we select this color right here. And then I'm going to click on V, which is the selection tool again. I use a lot of shortcuts to make my life easier. I click on the second rectangle again, click on I to select the eyedropper tool, and then click on the next color. We'll do the same thing again to this one right here. Select this color and then next color again, either this one or this one right here. I choose to go with the brown. Looks good. Now you can either leave it like this, or we can actually add some strokes if you want to. Now to add the strokes inside the circle, we don't want to select the circle. We only want to select the rectangles. So we double click the circle and then we select outside of it. As you can see, we're only selecting the rectangles, and then we go to stroke, choose the color black, for example, increase our stroke until we're happy with the thickness of the stroke. We'll go with 40 points. See, the great thing is you could actually move this around however you want. You can even add more rectangles to add more stripes. You can make 3/4 of a circle, or like that, or make a full circle. It looks good like this. Now the next thing we need to add is a distress texture. So we go to this texture right here that I downloaded, copy it, and then we go back to our design. We click on it to select it, and then we go to transparency, make mask, click on this black area, and then click on clip, and then paste our texture, make our texture bigger, and then position it however we want, like this for example, and go back to our main design. And this is our distress effect done. Now to check what it looks like, we simply add a black background behind it to see how it turned out. So we click on the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle, make it black like so, select it, and then send it to the back. It looks pretty good to me. Let me know what you think in the comments. And now you can save this as a template and then add different silhouettes to it, different text to it, different pictures to it, whatever you want. That way you can scale your designs massively. And now maybe we can add a Thanksgiving design. I've got a subscription to Vexels, which is absolutely amazing. Whenever I need a ready-made design, I can just grab it from here, or any kind of design elements that I'm looking for without having to create it from scratch, which is a huge time saver. So let's see which Thanksgiving design we're gonna grab. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, maybe we can use this one. So I'm gonna click on it, go ahead and download it. So once I've downloaded it, guys, I can grab the design, copy it, and then paste it on here. Maybe I can flip it, transform, reflect, like so. Okay, make it bigger. Maybe I could add some distress texture on top of it as well, but just to illustrate to you guys, it's pretty simple. You can do that yourself. For those of you that don't want to waste time creating your own vintage sunsets, I've got a fantastic service for you guys. It's really cheap, only $27 a year, and they have hundreds and hundreds of designs that you can download for free when you pay for that yearly license, and you can use it across multiple POD platforms. This is the website, guys. I'm going to leave you a link in the description, but basically once you pay for that yearly license, you can actually download any design that they have. They keep adding new designs all the time, and you can change them yourself if you want to. Put them on Illustrator, GIMP, or Photoshop or whatever, add new silhouettes to them, add the text, add a graphic design to them, and use them across many niches. It's that simple. They also have a sister company called AllAmerican Graphics, which only focuses on patriotic American designs. So they have like American flags, different American patriotic 4th of July-ish type of designs, and a lot of these designs you can use as templates, so you can add different graphic elements to them, or different quotes or text to them, and you can scale them across many niches. So for $27 a year, it's a no-brainer, guys. Honestly, I'm going to leave you a link in the description. Check them out and see what you think. I'm going to give you a little Q4 strategy, guys, that you can use with these vintage sunsets and with patriotic American designs. You can use them as templates and you can scale them across many niches. So if you see something that's working really well right now, put it on these sunset designs and American patriotic designs, and trust me, you'll make a ton of sales. This is a brand new POD automation software that works with Merch by Amazon, KDP, Redbubble, Society6, Display, so many platforms, guys. And guess how much it is? €1.99 per month for the next 3 months, guys. And you need to act fast. They're going to turn off this deal by the end of this month, so by the 31st of October. So make sure you go to the link below and grab your copy before they turn this deal off. This software is by Merch Ninja, of course. They're very reputable. You guys know them. They have a fantastic research software. I'm still playing around with the automation software, and pretty soon I'm going to make a full tutorial so you guys can see how it works. But for now, definitely go ahead, link in the description, grab your copy. €6 for the next 3 months. Really cheap. Also, a quick announcement, I've got a Hot Niches subscription which I find for you, and I update it every single week. I put at least 10 niches per week. And those niches are the main niches that are selling right now, and basically I'll show you the ones that have a high potential of selling. Also, as part of the subscription, I give you 6,000 niches that you can actually cross niche with the niches that I find for you every single week. So you have a huge potential right there. Check it out and see what you think. Link in the description. A quick reminder, check out the course, check out the free training. training. You've got nothing to lose. So yeah, link in the description. Again, in case you forgot, make sure you join our Facebook group in case you have any question or you need assistance. We'll be there to support you. And now the giveaway. 2 of you are going to win 1 month subscription of All Sunset and AllAmerican Graphics. To enter, you simply leave a heart in the comments section and I'll pick 2 random winners for the next video. The other thing I wanted to let you know is that I spoke to Vexels and they've agreed to give me a free graphics pack for Christmas. You can go ahead and download it from my special Vexels link down below. So yeah, check it out. One more thing, as I was editing this video, I've literally just been contacted by Vexels and they said that they're running a flash sale with the merch lifetime plan at 35% off, along with the 35% off on annual plans, only for about 24 hours. So if you're interested, go and grab it. I'm going to leave you a link down below. It's only available from today until this Friday at 9 PM GMT time. So guys, don't let this opportunity pass. It's a fantastic deal. The other thing they mentioned is that they've proposed to make a 1 lifetime plan upgrade giveaway amongst the people who subscribe via my links. So if the winner is an annual merch subscriber, they can upgrade that plan to a merch lifetime. And if the winner is a merch lifetime subscriber, they can upgrade that plan to a business lifetime plan, which is worth $1,000 worth of upgrade, which is amazing. So yeah guys, grab this deal to save yourself some money and time, and I'm going to let you know who won the giveaway in the next video. And that's it for now guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, share the video with your friends, turn on the notifications, subscribe for more videos if you're new to the channel, and that's it. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.